Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another video, and this time again is of an unboxing and impressions and a quick preview of an exclusive product. These are the One More EVO Earbuds. Yep, truly wireless earbuds from One More, and you know I'm a big fan of One More and what they do, and again a big thank you to them for partnering with me and actually allowing me to showcase these early. Ain't a full review because guess what? These are not out until the 10th of May. So I'm only really giving you a quick unboxing impressions and a quick preview between the 25th of April and 9th of May, give or take when it comes out. So this is a big one, man. I'm eager to see this. So let's not waste much time. Let's get into it and wrap this in. So these are the One More EVO. I'm excited, man. You've got hybrid drivers for hi-fi sound, adaptive active noise cancelling, up to 42 dBs of reduction. That's high. 6 microphones with DNN for HD calls and 28 hours of total battery life. That's including the case as well. As you can see, CS 2021. You've got LDAC support. You've got Qi wireless charging as well. Ooh, nice, good. Love to see that. And you've got the sound ID that actually helps you to tune to your hearing as well, which is really good to see. Quiet Max. Yeah, let's get into it. It's gonna be a quick unboxing, see what we're getting there. Quick impressions, quick test. Can't give my full thoughts in terms of obviously the review of the product yet up until the 10th, but I appreciate One More partner with me to, you know, get a quick preview for you all. I love this in terms of the packaging. Love this, absolutely love this. This is really, really nice, good quality. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, check that. Look at the styling there, man. The sketches. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is really, really good. Qi wireless charging, which is good to see. So you can do wireless charging. Love that. Let's get into it. Nice. Ooh, it's got it's got like a perfumey kind of smell in there. Not that it's relevant, but it's got a new product smell to it still. It's got a new car smell. Ooh, I like this. I definitely like the packaging on here, man. Love that kind of like that bronze engraved One More logo. Love that. Ooh. Ooh, let's go. You know what else we got? Let's see. One more, always make sure that you're kitted out properly. So let's get in there. Cool. Put this to the side. Let's get this out. So we've got everything in the box that's out. Put this to the side here. Okay, interesting. Try and keep everything nice and clean. Always like the little sticker that you get with it, of course. And you've got the user manual. Put that to the side, of course. And it says take the earbuds out and peel away the protective film. That's true, so it can connect and charge as well. And then you've got the USB-A to USB-C cable, of course, but this does support Qi wireless charging. Yep, USB-C to USB-A. Always appreciate them supplying it, of course. And you've got the different ear tips as well. Definitely gonna change them out for the bigger ones, as I always like to do. And let's look. This is the One More EVO. I like this packaging. It's nice, it's compact, it's a matte finish. And that's one thing that I really appreciate. So it makes it much more grippy. And then you've got the USB-C port with the red color for the connection port in there as well. This feels nice. This feels really, really nice. And the fact that you get Qi wireless charging with it as well. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna peel this away. You've got the earbuds in here. Quick showcase of the earbuds all around. Nice. Definitely stemless design, blacked out with the bronze, you know, ring around it, which I really, really like. The One More logo. Yeah, these are good. These are good. These are really, really good. So what I'm gonna do, peel these off as instructed. Peel these off as instructed. Put these in. And yeah, we're gonna do a quick setup and connection, and then we'll do a little preview run, and I'll just give you kind of like a reaction of how it sounds playing a couple of tracks. All right, we are back. We're connected. We've got the one more app. We have the latest OTA firmware update as well, which I was told just came. I installed it and you can see it right there. So, all right, cool. I'm gonna put these on. I've changed the ear tips as well. Get these nicely in. Now check that in terms of the design. Stemless, baby. Stemless. Love the stemless design. Blacked out. Yeah, love these. And I think if I'm looking straight at you, you can barely see them flushed out. Yeah, this is a good look. Whew. Cool, all right. We've got these here. Let's put the AC on. Whew, wow. These are strong, Mild. We've got adaptive. Okay. I see what you're doing. We've got transparency mode, pass through, voice enhancement. And the thing I'm liking about this is very, very quick. All right, we're gonna turn it off for now. We've got full charge. And we've got the sound ID as well. But again, let's not do too much. All right, let me bring up Drake's, what do you call it? The Remorse. I like this track because it's got good bass in it. All right. I'm just doing a preview. This is a preview. This is just a preview. This track's about 5 minutes. Won't go through all of it, but yeah, I'll kind of monologue as I'm going through, listening. Whew, okay. These are the one more EVOs. Yeah. Wait for that bass drop. Ooh, come on. You gotta listen to this track, man. I'm telling you. I think it's the last track on the album, and it hits, and it feels. Whoo! Come on. Yep. Come on. And put the ANC on. Put it to strong. Yeah, the sound is not compromised. It's not compromised at all. All right. I see you one more. I see what you're doing. Yeah. Gonna put transparency mode. I just love how quickly it switches through. Good clean bass. Yeah. Okay, let me not say too much. I'm getting a bit too excited. Yeah. They're comfortable as well. Good comfort. Obviously, you've got the touch sensitivity settings, double tap, triple tap. I'll reboot that quickly. That reconnects quickly, so we prioritize the higher sound quality as well. Okay, I like that. You got soothing sounds. All right. This is cold. This is cold. Quick product guide, smart playback. So let's see if that works. It does. The auto pause play works, as you can see. If I put it back in, you can see that it went. Come on, one more. Yeah, I like that still. This is a good first look. And obviously you've got Sound ID here from SonarWorks, but we're not gonna get into that. We're gonna save that for the full review. All right, cool. Try as, but I lied. Yo, Drake went in on this one, but you know what? Ain't even about just Drake going in. so far, based on first impressions, yeah, this is good. I don't know if I'm meant to tell you the price just yet, but if I'm not allowed to, I'll bleep this out. But for UK, it's around £160. And then there's a launch price discount as well, which should be about £25, $30 off, depending on your region and whatnot. But so far, man, what I'm experiencing with these, yo, these are a good look. Love the packaging, love the feel of it. I can't wait to fully test these, man. You know, I'm a big fan of that flushed stemless design on truly wireless earbuds as well, but this is a good look. These are the One More EVOs. Stick around, man. We're gonna do the review once it comes out and launch it on the 10th of May. But this is a little small preview, unboxing impressions, and a quick little preview look of it. And so far, ain't gonna lie, I'm impressed. And again, a big thank you to One More, partner with me on this one, to show you this little preview of it, man. Really appreciate that, man. And that's it, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bar so you're part of Team TLS Tech Lover Squad so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.